Iyan mo muna bago ka mag-estimate. Lista mo muna yung mga items. Para alam, wala ka talaga ma-miss out. Tapos pag na-lista mo na, saka ka na mag-compute. Sorry, favorite. We're here at the feast. It's my Ate Grace first time here and Kuya Kuya.
Alam mo picture.
So we all extend our hands towards our good ladies for the day.
Grace, wala nung...
Tsaka yung mga panigan, mga...
Hi, welcome to Sunday. Saturday pa lang. Uy! Nakuha ko! Wow! Wow! Happy New Year, everyone! Wow! Wow! Wow!
Happy birthday to you. At birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Well, miss you.
Oh, hindi pa mamasa.
Balik ka. Ayan. Maan, balik ka. Oh, blow the candle.
Hindi makaya mo pati yung plato. Baka itin mo na. Black. Okay, sorry. Ibang view naman. Ibang view naman. Lilipat pa yan, lilipat pa yan. Hindi you satisfied. Ano ba yan? Naghahanap pa. Hello, we're at Thailand. Sawadee ka. Let's go, Kateki. Thank you, Kateki. May drinks. Taste. Sarap. Sampay na ako. Of course, kasi nasa beach ba? Sarap. 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 Starbucks pa din. You can change your hair. You can change your hair. Uy, ka pa. Saan? Doon? Siyempre, sa tapos ko titira. Sabi ko nga, papalayasin ba ako? Sa Sabado pa kasi ako susundin. Sabi ni Sir, hindi yan. Kahit mag 1 month ka pa daw. Uy! You can change your hair. Tama na. Mamimiss ko tong alabang. Ay, malulupat ka. 2, 3, go. You can change your hair. You can change your hair. Lagi pero may match. Nayugyug yung chan ko, be. Nag-jogging kami, pero may dala kaming food.
Yeah.
Sarap kayo nung kinainan namin. Black.
Here's for carbs.
Black palabok.
Kada sumumuk, sa tissue.
Hindi pa. Sabi ko, wait lang kasi na-off ko yung video.
Tahimik mo naman mag-tour.
Akala ko tapos na ang video.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, it's my last day in Manila. So, update. Wala, maghapon lang ako nakahiga kasi hindi kami natuloy nila Joyce and Kim mag-hang out. And yeah, it's okay lang kasi tinatamad din ako. So, sabi ko, kakain ako sa masarap kasi hindi masarap yung kinain ko kanina. So yung bumili na lang ako ng brownie temptation. Muntik pang hindi makain kaya kinuha ng iba. Laki na. So right now I'm waiting for my sundo. Cause wala.
Pagka-engineer, hindi.
Wala, ano.
Hi ka na lang, Jem. Hi ka sa vlog ni ano. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Welcome to my life. Yan ang bagong driver namin. Mga lalaki. Siyempre. Passenger princess, di ba? Pero naka-seatbelt. Naka-seatbelt. Anong masasabi mo sa driving ni Daniel? Ni Maan?
Okay na.
Okay na?
Pang Saudi na.
Pang Saudi? Pwede nang ibalik Manila. Reject. Pwede nang ibalik Manila. Akala ko ba naman reject. Ano masasabi mo sa express na ganun?
Nano.
You know, right?
Small things.
Basic?
Ito lang yan, basic.
Mahina pala, mahina.
Basic, tas hindi pa nakaka-overtake.
Overtake na po yan ng dalawang tricycle at isang truck.
Tapos ngayon po may dalawang truck din niya ma-overtakean.
Ganyan po talaga siya mag-drive. Maingat po, maingat.
Hindi siya risk taker. Probada.
Oo, porba rin.
Yes, kabahan mo na kayo.
Kinabahan ako doon na.
Hindi pansit ang pampahaba ng buhay. Side mirror, Maan.
Sorry.
Maan,
Yes.
gusto pa namin mabuhay. Kahit ako sa talang buhay ko, hindi ko ginagawa yun.
Maliliit pa mga anak namin, Maan.
Maliliit ba anak namin?
Sorry.
Pahawa ka.
Sorry. My bad. Sorry.
Ay, naku.
Gateway to Bicol.
Sa wakas, nakapasok na kami Bicol. Pinapanalangin lang po namin na makauwi kami ng safe.
Maan, nahihina ako.
Sorry guys.
Ayo. Pinick up lang namin si Maan. Ginawa lang namin Pamplona nagang ang Paranaque may naga.
Panis.
Okay na yan, pinick up nyo, ginawa nyo naman driver.
That's Maan driving. Ito para sa kids.
On my way to Bicol with my brother-in-laws.
Barrels, I swim. Yeah, and I will ask you. Somebody saved me when I was driving the skateboard.
What? There's a skateboard?
Nah, I didn't even because I don't know. You mean?
Oh my god.
Chicken, banana. Abot ko na, tapos 0.6 na ako, maabot ko ang tips mo. I mean, chin.
Chin.
Ma-5 na ako, tapos ma-6 na ako.
Mag-grade 1 ka na.
Tapos ma-7 na ako.
Pero-
Tapos ma-8 na
Pero
ako.
ano age mo ba?
And ma-10 na ako.
Wait lang, ano pa age mo? How old are you ba? How old are you ngayon?
Parka, kunti na lang sabi ni mama.
Ma-5
Ganyan
ka
na
na.
5 na ako. Kunti
Oh.
na lang ganyan.
Konti na lang, ma-5 ka na.
She's still at 5. She's still 4 years old, but almost 5.
Yeah.
No, ganyan. 5 ako. Almost 5 ako. No, it's not.
Your pogi face. Pogi face. Where's the ano yung may... Abay ganyan.
May arms is, ay may finger talaga makulog. Makulog yung mata ko, siguro nadaganan ko.
You're so...
Pagi. Guys,
Hello vlog.
together.
Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys!
No, let's go there. And when I touch you, I rub my elbow. How's that impossible? I'm not touching your face.
I don't know!
It's a force field. Look at this, guys. This is awesome. I'm not the car. My ammunition. Camera. Okay, this is so fun. Wait, so. Hey yo! Hi! Hi guys. Bird. This is awesome. Guys, look at that big tower. I've been reading books of all. The legend Hindemnus, Achilles and his gold. Hercules had his gifts. Spider-Man control and Batman with his fist. Clearly I don't see myself above all this, but she said, much you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody. Some superhero gifts, some superheroes a fairy tale blues. So something I can touch, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. I hear it.
Bida!
Rain down, oh rain down. Rain. Spider! Spider! Spider!
It's not a spider! It's just a dirt! It's a dirt! And Ken,
Nugget.
I'll carry you how?
In the back.
In your back!
My name is Liana, and this is my cousin, and this is Tita Mahan, and this is my sister over there. I get a trick. Hi. She say hi. Hi. She say hi. Hi. Tita Mahan, say hi. Hi. Hi, good. You're so healthy. Put this side and the
I make the face, you make the sound. 2, 3. Roar! Ikaw. 2, 3. I wanna hold you just for a while.